When Laszlo Moholy-Nagy founded the new Bauhaus in 1937, he built it on a simple premise: design is a rigorous mode of problem-solving. Today, the Institute of Design remains one of the most research-driven programs in the world. Over the decades, thousands of graduates have taken that methodology from these buildings in Chicago and applied it across the globe. Until recently, that global alumni network was scattered across fragmented, underutilized platforms. To solve this, the alumni networking team decided to centralize those connections into a single, unified community on Discord. Discord is a communication platform organized into dedicated servers for real-time text and post-chat. However, Discord's interface differs significantly from traditional business software. The logic takes some getting used to, and that unfamiliarity can create roadblocks for new users trying to navigate the site. Over the next few minutes, we will map out this workspace together. You will learn to customize your interface, silence the distracting notification noise, and confidently send your first message. Pushing through this initial learning curve gives you direct, organized access to the full collaborative power of this historic design community. Step 1. Open your Discord application and take a look at the layout on your screen. Don't click on anything just yet. While the interface might look busy, we can organize it by dividing the screen into 4 distinct vertical blocks. On the far left, you have Block 1, the Servers column. This is your main directory. Look here to locate and select the IIT ID logo to ensure you are inside the alumni network. Moving right, Block 2 is the Channels column. Think of this as the filing cabinet for the server, where specific topics and conversations are sorted. The large center area is Block 3, the Conversation feed. This is your primary workspace, where active reading and typing occur. Finally, on the far right is Block 4, Members and Roles. This shows you who is currently online and groups them by their specific server permissions. Mentally assigning these 4 predictable zones to the screen turns a chaotic interface into a highly logical workspace. Before you start communicating, we need to adjust your alerts. Discord's default notification settings are highly active, which can quickly cause distraction and notification fatigue in a professional setting. To fix this, hover your cursor over the IIT ID server icon in the far left column and right-click it to reveal administrative options. Scroll down that drop-down menu and select Notification Settings. Inside this menu, change the server notification setting to Only @mentions. An @mention is when another user types your specific username to get attention. Close the menu and verify the change by looking for the updated bell icon at the top of your interface. Taking immediate control of these alerts prevents burnout. Now, when the app flags an alert, you know someone is speaking directly to you. Now direct your attention back to Block 2, the left sidebar, to see how different conversations are categorized. You will notice 2 main symbols. Channels with a hashtag symbol are text channels for written chat. Channels with a speaker icon are voice channels, which open your microphone for live audio conversations. You may also see stage channels. These operate like a digital auditorium and are reserved strictly for large, broadcast-style community announcements where only a few people speak. Next, look to the very top left corner of the application, above your server list. Click the Discord logo to access your home space. The home space is your dedicated private area, completely separate from the IIT ID server. This is where you manage your private direct messages and host private one-on-one calls. During those private calls, you have access to Crisp. Crisp is a built-in noise cancellation tool that filters out background noise, ensuring your audio quality remains professional. You might also see prompts for Discord Nitro or server boosting. These are entirely optional paid upgrades offered by Discord, and you do not need them to fully participate in the alumni network. Recognizing these distinct channel types allows you to seamlessly switch from public networking in text channels to passive listening in stage channels to private collaboration in home space. Let's prepare to make your first connection. Navigate back to the IIT ID server and click on the designated Introductions text channel. Before you type, there are 3 rules of etiquette to observe. Rule 1. Strictly manage your pings. Never use the @everyone tag, as it sends a push notification to hundreds of people at once. Rule 2. Never tag server staff directly. The only exception to this rule is if you are reporting a critical technical emergency that requires immediate administrative action. Rule 3. Do not ask to ask. Instead of typing a vague message like, "Can I ask a question?" state your actual need immediately. Adhering to these specific communication protocols shows professional respect for the community's time, which dramatically increases the speed and quality of the responses you will receive from your peers. You have now successfully configured a clean, distraction-free environment and mastered the core navigation of the app. Mastering this digital workspace mirrors the physical collaboration that has defined the Institute of Design for decades. The tools have changed, but the practice of connecting to solve complex problems remains exactly the same. For your final step, go ahead and type out a brief professional greeting in that introductions channel and hit send. Sending that single introductory message is the final action that turns you from an isolated member into an active participant in a unified global design network.